Welcome to our YouTube video tutorial on how to enable Enhanced Safe Browsing for your Gmail account. Enhanced Safe Browsing provides an additional layer of protection against phishing attacks and harmful websites. Follow these simple steps to enable Enhanced Safe Browsing for your Gmail account. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, select Security to manage your account's security settings. Step 5. Scroll down and find the Enhanced Safe Browsing for your account option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 6. To enable Enhanced Safe Browsing, click on Turn On. By enabling Enhanced Safe Browsing, you can enhance the security of your Gmail account and protect yourself against potential threats. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.